Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 here once again with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. I don't trade on Fridays, so I'm just gonna be, talking about what I would look for tomorrow. Okay, but I won't trade. Last week, last week, last week I started to avoid trading on Friday, and the last Friday was good. Like the Euro USD like gave me two setups last Friday. So it's a shame. It's a shame to ah man, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Fridays, they don't have the best price action, but sometimes it it really does what it. Damn, it just it was a shame, but it is what it is. This pre-analysis is gonna be very quick, very easy, because if you has been paying attention for the last few days, you are supposed to understand everything quickly. So this is my higher time frame chart. As I said yesterday, that was the range on the higher time frame, and I said that I was looking for sales in general. But if the price breaks the range, I'm just gonna select another one, and that's what I did. And I was pretty much looking for the same thing. As I always say, guys, I take the same setup over and over again. Like I apply the same process all the time. I always try to keep that consistency with my process. Consistency is all you need in order to make money in the market. Okay, that's really important. So let me go to my lower time frame chart. So let me mention this is the range from the weekly that I just mentioned, guys. Okay, in general, if you guys remember, I was looking for this from here, from around here. I was looking for something like this to happen, but since the price broke the range, the previous range from the weekly, I just select a new one and I just focus on looking for the same thing. Okay, and that's what I did. As you guys can see today, I took an opportunity. I took a sell. It was a break even, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It was the setup that was presented to me, so I just executed. Okay, so why I took that trade? One, because the price was mitigating the higher time frame range. Also, because the price here created a break of structure. As you guys can see, we are uptrending. The price is initiating right now, but due to the location, I'm supposed to be focused on sales only because the price is too high. Trust me, guys, you don't want to buy when the price is that high. Okay, because it's very unlikely. Yeah, the intention is there, but like yeah, it's more likely for a price to rebalance whatever it did before keep going up. So executing like buys here, they are very unlikely, you know. But if your strategy tells you to buy, it's cool. Just keep showing the same consistent every day, just like I do. So the price manipulated that high right there. That was a break of structure. The price is mitigating the higher time frame range. So since the price is initiating to the upside, I just can execute to the downside. So I just waited for the price to break the high like it did, and then I waited for it to show me that it didn't want it to continue to the upside, and that's what it did. The price reject back down, went to the 50%, to then go back down, to then go back to the 50%. And that's why I took that setup. The price even went a little higher, it went above the 50%, which is even better. Okay, so let's see. So this was the previous high right here. Okay, so let's see. Yep. So yeah, guys, the price went back up to the 50%. That price already showed me that it wanted to go down because it manipulated that high. It didn't extend. It went right back down and it started showing a downtrend. Okay, and that was my last confluence. So I just waited for my sell order to be formed. When I saw it, I just executed. The price went to my break even and then reversed back up. Okay, the price apparently wanted to manipulate that high right there, and then it formed another sell order right there. That was an entry. That entry was even better because it was higher and it was after this manipulation, just like this one. I have some friends that they took sales during London here, but I don't trade in London, and I wouldn't take that entry either because the price is just, I would have waited for it to show me first that it really wanted to go down, just like it did, and that's why I took that entry during New York. Okay, so let's focus on the pre-analysis. It's gonna be very quick because it's pretty much the same thing every day. The price, as you guys can see, is downtrending right now. Okay, so in general, if the price wants to trap, I would love to see it doing it with a nice downtrend, like a clean downtrend would be the best thing for me. So that's what that's what I'm gonna be looking for in general for next week. Hopefully that's what it does. It's also possible the price is gonna go down like it did to then go back up to manipulate that high to then keep going down right after. That's a downtrend as well. It's just I call it a complex downtrend. Okay, but that's a downtrend too. As you guys can see, the price did it. The price that was a downtrend here that it was formed, went to the 50%, then went back down, to then go back up, manipulating that high, to then keep going down right after. Like the price is downtrending in general, even though it manipulated the previous high, but it's fine. It's just a manipulation. You just have to adjust to the price action that the price is showing you. So right now, that's the high, lower low, lower high, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for. Hopefully, and not what I would be looking for tomorrow. Look, if you guys are lucky, you are gonna be looking at a nice downtrend to the downside, and you can be taking sales just like that. Okay, you guys may be able to catch like a reversal from this range or this range or this range, maybe a quick reversal to form the downtrend, or maybe it's gonna keep going up. The price does whatever it wants. At the end, I don't need 100 pips in order to make money. I just need 40 pips. If the price shows me a reaction that goes to my TP, which is TP4, that's more than enough. So yeah, guys, this is my pre-analysis. Thank you for being here and have a good night.